Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones BeoPlay8Sport with your MacBook. You have to start by click on the Bluetooth icon, now go to Settings. After that open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, we should press and hold both connectional buttons here until you can see that LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now we should see it on the list. So just click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!